Hello everyone, I'm Divya, your math facilitator. So in this session, I'm going to discuss the previous year question. Okay, so this is 2019 question because 2020 and 2021 you don't have your board. So 2022 now you're going to write your board. So this is 2019 paper. So then in 2019 before Corona we had paper 1 and paper 2, isn't it? So 40 marks. So whatever is the pattern, the questions are important. So this video will help you to understand what questions you can expect in your board exam. Okay, so let's begin very quickly. It's going to be a very short video. Just have a look at the questions. Okay, so as you can see here, so the first question, these are short answers. Okay, these are very short answers. Sorry, these are short answers, and then you have essay question. Okay, so the pattern is same, very short essay, but the weightage of the marks was different. That's it, right? So here you can see logarithm one question you have. So Ramu says if log 10 to the base x is 0, what is the value of x? Okay, so x is 0. So do you agree with him? So Ramu says if log 10 power log x to the base 10 is 0, then Ramu says x equal to 0 power n. So is this correct? Do you agree with him? Yes or no? Give your reason. Okay, we know log 1 is 0. So in that case x has to be 0. Right, it has to be 0. So here he is saying, sorry, in that case x has to be what? In the place of log, here you have log x equal to 0. So in the place of x, it is 1 actually. Okay, so this way you will have to analyze the questions and learn. So let's proceed to the next question now. Determine x so that 2 is the slope of the line passing. Okay, and it is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and minus 3, 0, 2 are the zeros of this polynomial. So find a and c. You will just substitute p of 1, p of minus 3 is a 0, p of 0 equal to 0, and p of 2 equal to 0. So zeros of the polynomial concept we are using here. Next, find the discriminant. So nature of the roots, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Okay, so that b square minus 4ac you will find. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac you will find. Find the 11th term. So a11 you will find, which is a plus 10d. If a is this, b is this, find b minus a minus b. Write two linear polynomials having one term and three terms. So two linear polynomials having one term. Linear polynomial degree is 1. So one term polynomial I can say 2x, and three terms polynomial. So you can write it as 2x plus 5 equals to or minus 1 equal to 0. So here it is three terms linear polynomial, or you can take it this way. So you can write 2x plus 5y. Okay, so here you have three terms. Degree is 1. It's a linear polynomial. Now A is given, B is given. You have to find A union B, A intersection B. And we have completed most of these questions in the one-shot revision. Do you remember? So find the roots of the quadratic equation by completing square method. So this is deleted. Now for what value of m? So you have system of linear, you have no solution. So you will find a1 by a2, b1 by b2. No solution means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. So you will find the m value from this. Which term of the GP? Deleted. If x square plus y square is 10xy, prove that. So logarithm question, important. And Shashanka said that is a quadratic equation. Do you agree? So important again. Now see, now this is essay question. The PDF of this question paper, this entire PDF will be available in Math Facilitator website. Do check it out. Okay. So the description is, the link is given in description. Now, this is so important question we discussed so many times. You have to show that square of any positive integer is of this form. So, if a is a positive integer, b is 5 and r will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to find the square. So, you will square it on both the sides. Now, you have to draw it. So, before that you have this is root 5 minus root 3 is irrational number, proof of this. And draw a graph of the polynomial. So, graphs also we have done one shot revision. Draw the graph of this. So pair of linear equation also one shot we have done. So a train travels at a speed of this. So one shot I have given you the concept of this as well. So train is traveling a distance 360 kilometer. So speed of the train I'll take it as x. So time taken is distance upon the speed. And in the second case speed is increased by 5 kilometers. So it is x plus 5. So time taken is 360 upon x plus 5. So here speed, time, more time is where, so where the speed is less, the time taken will be more. So T1 is more, so T1 is T2 plus, I can write what is the difference in time? 1 hour. So substituting here, you will get a quadratic equation solving it, okay, and you will get x value, which is nothing but the speed of the train. Find the sum of all integers between 1 to 50 which are not divisible by 3. Firstly, find the sum of integers which are divisible by 3, then subtract them from the sum of integers which are from 1 to 50. So all these questions, if you remember, we have done it in one shot revision, 8 marker questions. So find the area of rhombus ABCD whose vertices given are here. Okay, you have to find the area of rhombus. It is half d1 d2. We have done it in one shot. So again, this question also, n of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now the objective also you can go through it. So simple objective bits you have. Okay, and most of the questions we have done. Now see section 1, this is paper 2. Madhavi says all squares are similar. So do you agree with her statement? Yes or no? Yes, you can agree because all angles are equal in a square, isn't it? And Ravi says the value of tan 0, tan 1, tan 2, so on is 0. So here complementary angles concept is used. So the value, will it be 0 or not? So you can check it out. Okay, so tan 0 is 0 actually. So all the values 0 into anything is 0. Write two examples for equally likely events. Equally likely events, you can take any two examples. So rolling a die or coin, anything is equally likely. Find the mode of the data. So the most repeated value will take. Draw a line segment of this length and divide it into 3 by 4 ratio. So here constructions we have discussed. So the same construction 3 is to 4 ratio. So total 3 plus 4, 7 parts you will divide. Okay, 7 parts you will divide and out of which you will take A3 you will join. So this is nothing but 3 is to 4 ratio. Okay, and this is mensuration. Metallic cylinder height is given, radius is given, is melted and recast. Melted and recast means height of the cylinder should be equal to, sorry, volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the sphere. So just equate both the formula, you will get the answer. And write the formula of lateral surface area of a cylinder. So just the formula they are asking. Here simple substitution, here writing the formula, and you will have to explain each and every term when you write the formula. Now this is short answer of paper 2. So question from probability you have, and yeah, here have a look at the question. 4 red ball, 5 green ball and P white ball. So total balls are 4 plus 5 plus P, that is 9 plus P. If the probability of picking a ball in random to be a red ball, so probability of red ball is given as 1 by 3. Probability of red ball is favorable by total. So you have 4 red balls divided by total is 9 plus P. So now solving this equation, you will get your P value, which is nothing but the number of white balls. Okay. And here it is 1 by sine square is cosecant square. So cosecant square minus cos square is 1. One step solution. So AB, AC and PQ are tangents and AB is given as 6. AB is given as 6. You need to find the perimeter of APQ. So this total is given as 6. Okay, so now you know BP and PX are equal and CP and CX are equal. So if I want to find the perimeter of triangle APQ, it is nothing but AP plus PQ plus AQ, sum of all the three sides. So AP plus PQ, I can write it as PX plus XQ, isn't it? Plus AQ. Okay, PQ I have written PX plus XQ. And again AP, have a look here. Now AP plus PX and BP are equal. So PX I can write BP and XQ and CQ are equal. So I can write this as CQ. Now AP plus BP is total AB and CQ plus AQ is total AC. So it is 6 plus 6, which is 12. Okay. Now if the ratios of these two triangles are 25 is to 36, the ratio of height you need. So this is actually, deleted. Now median of first 6 prime numbers is given to you. So you have to find the median of first 6 prime numbers. Write the list of prime numbers first 6 and pick out the middle value. Okay. And from the top of a building, you have angle of elevation of top of a TV tower is alpha. So this is alpha, top of the TV tower. This angle is alpha. And the angle of depression to the foot is beta. So this is beta. Okay, so you have to find the distance and the distance is D. Okay, so draw a diagram. So this is a diagram. Now this is essay question. So all essay questions we have already discussed. If the mean of the distribution is 50, you will find the value of K. So class interval, frequency, class mark, Fi, Xi. And you will substitute in mean formula and you will get K value here after you substitute. Clear? Now in a right angle triangle, length of hypotenuse is 6 more than its shortest side. We have done this. So if I take this as x, now hypotenuse is x plus 6 and the other side is 3 less than hypotenuse. So 3 less than hypotenuse is x minus 3. Now use Pythagoras theorem, you will get your x value. Now draw a circle of radius. Now this construction we have just discussed in the previous video, so please watch that as well. The following table shows the marks of 100 students and you have to find ogive curve. Ogive curve is also discussed. So you will take class interval, frequency, and you will find upper boundary, just the class interval upper boundary. So 55, 60, these are the upper boundaries, and cumulative frequency you will find. And you will find the order pair is nothing but upper boundary and cumulative frequency. So x and y you have here. Draw the graph with it, and whatever n by 2 value you are taking. Now here it is 100 students. So at 50, okay, so at 50, here if you have 50, and if this is a curve, draw a corresponding perpendicular to x-axis, so this value will give you a median. Okay, now this is again application of trigonometry and surface areas. So now this is cards. We have discussed all these questions if you remember it very well. Cosecant A is root 2. Now this is standard angle, so I said it is 45. And the part B. Okay, so this PDF you will get it on Math Facilitator website. So do download it again and go through all the questions again. Right, so do subscribe to the channel for more such important videos, and don't forget to like the video right now, share it with all your friends also, and comment and let me know how well are you prepared right now. And after the exam also do comment and let me know how did you write your exam. Okay, so thank you so much for being here. All the very best. Bye bye. Take care.